In 1912, inside the isolated Villa Mondragone in Italy, an antiquarian book dealer was sorting through a chest of forgotten manuscripts in a Jesuit library. That dealer was Wilfred Voynich, and the book he pulled from that chest remains a 600-year-old cold case, a volume written in a script that no one can read. Physically, the object is unremarkable. It is composed of standard 15th-century animal skin vellum and written in typical iron gall ink, but the contents are completely alien. The manuscript functions as a forensic mystery that refuses to be solved, continuing to defy every attempt at human comprehension. The herbal section immediately presents a problem. The plants depicted are not real botany. They are composite creations with mismatched roots and impossible leaves. The astrological section follows a similar pattern. It features recognizable concepts like the zodiac, but executes them through peculiar circular diagrams and isolated stars. In the balneological section, the imagery takes a surreal turn. Pages are filled with naked women wading through interconnected green pools and elaborate networks of pipes. Large foldouts reveal the cosmological map of strange castles and rosettes that correspond to no known geography. Binding all these sections together is voyniches. The handwriting flows with the confidence of a natural language, yet it yields zero semantic meaning. The manuscript employs the familiar structure of a reference book, sections, diagrams, and paragraphs, to deny the reader any actual information. Modern investigation begins with the physical material. Carbon-14 dating has been used to determine the age of the animal skin pages. The results place the creation of the vellum between 1404 and 1438, during the European Renaissance. Paleography shifts the focus from the material to the movement. Experts analyze the microscopic spacing and pressure of individual pen strokes. These pen strokes show that up to 5 distinct scribes collaborated on the text, using 2 different dialect styles, often referred to as language A and language B. This coordination suggests the manuscript was a deliberate, expensive production, rather than the work of a lone eccentric. That level of organization attracted elite military codebreakers, the same experts who cracked encrypted enemy communications during both world wars. William Friedman, the legendary cryptographer who led the effort to break Japanese codes in WW2, spent years trying to decipher the voynich. He never succeeded. As classical cryptanalysis failed, the investigation moved into the realm of computational linguistics. This chart shows Zipf's law, which measures the mathematical frequency of words in human speech. The voynich data perfectly matches the curve found in organic languages. However, the way syllables repeat within those words contradicts the patterns found in any known language. The result is a linguistic paradox. The word distribution behaves like a natural language, while the internal spelling remains unlike any documented human speech. This contradiction has led researchers to 4 primary hypotheses. Theory 1 is a cipher. This assumes the script hides a known language, like Latin or Hebrew, through a system of substituted signs. But the text lacks the structural markers of conventional ciphers, leaving no path to translation. Theory 2 suggests an artificial or lost natural language, but voyniches refuses to align with any documented tongue on Earth. Theory 3 views the book as an alchemical treatise. While the imagery looks like a pharmacopoeia, none of the specific botanical mixtures correspond to reality. Finally, Theory 4 considers a hoax, a fake magical book created to scam a wealthy collector. A hoax of this complexity would require 5 scribes and the accidental invention of complex linguistic mathematics. The evidence suggests that saving the manuscript would be as difficult as writing a real one. This leaves a final possibility, that the author was not encrypting a secret, but expressing a unique way of organizing reality. If the manuscript is an expression of a singular psychology, the repetitive script and impossible flora function as traces of a mind that perceives the world through a different lens. Today, the book is held at Yale University's voynich library. It is fully digitized, allowing anyone to attempt a decipherment. Every few years, a new claim of success makes headlines. None have survived academic scrutiny. The voynich manuscript forces a confrontation with the limits of our understanding. We are left to wonder if it is a flawlessly executed enigma or the relic of a mind that will forever remain beyond human comprehension.